Hope you all are fine. And today I'm going to discuss you the last topic of the chapter elements, compound and mixture, that is separation of components of liquid-liquid mixture. In liquid-liquid mixture, all the components are present in the liquid state. The liquids may or may not mix with each other. The liquids that mix with each other and form a homogeneous mixture are known as miscible liquid, like alcohol and water, that is acetone and water. Okay. On the other hand, liquids that do not mix with each other are known as immiscible liquid. Kerosene and water are kerosene and water, diesel and water, okay, oil and water. These are the example of immiscible liquids. Now, after this, I am going to explain you that separation of immiscible liquid by using separating funnel. Okay, or you can say using separating funnel for separating a mixture of liquids which are immiscible. So two immiscible liquids that can be separated with the help of separating funnel. It is a pear-shaped funnel made up of glass that has stop cork at the bottom, as you can see in the diagram. The stop cork is used for pouring out the liquids. When a mixture of two immiscible liquids in a separating funnel is left undisturbed for some time, the liquid forms separate layers. The lighter liquid forms the upper layer, while the heavier liquid forms the lower layer. When the stop cork is opened, the heavier liquid comes out fast, while the lighter liquid is left behind the separating funnel. So as you can see in the diagram, I have taken two immiscible liquid, that is kerosene oil and water. Water is heavier as compared to kerosene oil because the density of water is high as compared to kerosene oil. So it deposited at the bottom and kerosene oil at the upper part. And when you will open the stop cork, what happens? First water will come out. When it will come out completely, then you can tight your stop cork and kerosene oil will left behind. So this is a process of separation of immiscible liquid. Now afterwards I am going to explain you the separation of liquid-liquid mixture, that is two miscible liquid by fractional distillation. Two miscible liquids with even small difference in their boiling points can be separated by process of fractional distillation. Their difference in small boiling point, we can say that they have difference in their boiling point less than 25 degree centigrade. It is defined as the process of separating a mixture of two or more miscible liquids by distillation using a fractionating column. A fractionating column is a tube-like apparatus containing different horizontal plates. It is connected between the distillating flask and the condenser, as you can see in the diagram. Okay. The column helps in repeated cooling and condensation of the vapors. Now, when a mixture is heated in the distillation flask, the liquid with the lower boiling point boils over and condenses fast. It is collected as the distillate in a beaker or conical flask. The other component of the mixture are left behind in the flask. Fractional distillation is used for separating the components of petroleum. Petroleum is a mixture of many useful substances such as petrol, diesel, kerosene and paraffin wax. These substances are obtained by the fractional distillation of petroleum. The process is carried out in the oil refineries. Okay. Now in the diagram you can check. I have taken the mixture of ethyl alcohol and the water. Ethyl alcohol boiling point is 78.26 something, and water boiling point 100 degree. So when you will heat the mixture, at first ethyl alcohol will change into vapor and then cool by the condenser and then collect as a distillate, and water will left behind. Okay, so that's all about this module. Hope you understand.